Today we're in Eagle Terrace. We're perched right on the very top of Eagle Terrace on a private cul-de-sac on the south-facing ridge.
With over 5,400 square feet in this two-story walkout house, you couldn't ask for more.
As soon as you walk into this house, we've got these cathedral ceilings and the windows just up top that allow for some beautiful natural light in this hallway. And then you've got this incredible feature of the spiral staircase before we get in to the almost 1,600 square feet of main floor living space.
So we're in this enormous kitchen here, vaulted ceilings, skylights, incredible views out to the southwest. You've got a formal dining room there for the kids and a formal dining room there for the parents. So I'm in the living room now with a wood-burning fireplace. As you can see, there's tons of windows out here, incredible mountain views. The entire main floor is open, as Richard said, almost 1,600 square feet. I can see clear across the house. It is absolutely massive in here.
So we're on the south-facing deck. Right behind us is a park, so it's super private here. And you've probably noticed by now, but this house is just getting bigger and bigger as we tour you through it. But one thing that's bigger than this house is those incredible views. Rounding out this main level, we've got the two-piece washroom just behind me. We've got a beautiful office space off to my right that looks out over Grotto Mountain. And then we can't not talk about how large this double car garage is with this incredible mudroom just off to my left that's got lots of storage for all your gear. So we're on the upper floor and it's expansive just like the rest of the house. It's very rare to find in Canmore a home with 4 bedrooms on the same level, but this is the one. The greatest part of all these bedrooms is that every bedroom has its own view from Three Sisters to Lady Macdonald and to Grotto Mountain. All 4 bedrooms on this level are a really great size, including the primary suite that's on the south side of the home. We've got some beautiful views out that window and a big walk-in closet here.
Have you ever seen a primary ensuite with a view like this? Imagine sitting in this tub and soaking it all in. So we're down on the walkout level here, over 2,200 square feet. You've got your own fenced-in dog run, hot tub, the park out back. You could actually age in place here because there's a guest quarters down here with an ensuite.
This lower level could be whatever you want it to be. It's perfect right now as a games room. We've got this nice cozy living space behind me with the wood burning fireplace. We've even got access through patio doors to a shaded patio when the sun gets too hot for you upstairs.
So if you're in the market for a very large family home in an incredible family neighborhood, Eagle Terrace, this is the home for you.
We've got great views, as we said. I don't know whether we told you before, but this house is massive. Anyway, thanks for watching. Our contact information is just below if you've got any questions about this house or any other house in Canmore. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.